So emergency services is extremely important to the community because we provide a service that patients need in that moment. Sometimes patients have to wait to have an intake to get mental health services. If they're in a mental health crisis, they can't wait for that appointment. We provide mental health services either in office or in emergency departments. If somebody is experiencing a mental health crisis, we're there and we're able to assure that that person is safe and to assure that they get the treatment that they need. There are no restrictions on the type of patient that we will see. So we will see any age, any type of diagnosis, any presentation, anybody who walks through the door. If they're in a psychiatric crisis or mental health crisis, they're going to be able to get seen by us and hopefully get pointed in the right direction or get ongoing help with us. There is no typical mental health emergency. So that can range anywhere from somebody who maybe had a breakup or a divorce and they're not in a great place at that moment, to somebody who's in a state of psychosis and they're not able to function on their own. Or oftentimes we see patients that are just feeling really depressed and don't know where to get the help that they need, and that's where they end up. They end up in the emergency department, and we're there to help and connect them to the help they need and the services they need. If you were to call 911, you would almost always be sent an ambulance and police, and oftentimes that's not what that person needs at that moment, and that can be a really scary prospect and can actually prevent people from contacting and getting help. So this way they know it's a safe person to call who, if they can, they're just gonna try and get them the coping skills that they need in that moment. We cover all of Belknap County and Lower Grafton County. Any hospital in that area, which would include Franklin Regional Hospital, Lakes Region General Hospital, and Spear Memorial. Lakes Region Mental Health Emergency Services Department is here to help our community 24/7, anytime, any day, holidays, weekends, whenever. We can be reached by calling us at 524-1100, option 9.